So I'll be sharing this recipe with which you can use to activate your carrot oil. So let's say, for example, you're making 200 ml. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how to activate your carrot oil. I know a lot of you have seen the video where I taught you guys how to make carrot oil naturally, how to make carrot oil in the comfort of your home. If you have not seen that video, I would advise that you go and see that video. I'll advise that you go and watch it. I'll put the link to that particular video in this video so you can go and watch it. So this video is quite different. How to activate your carrot oil for more effective results. What does it mean to activate? To activate something means to make it work better, to make it produce more effective results, to make it more effective. So if you're activating a cream or a lotion, it simply means that you are making it more effective. To activate your carrot oil, you will need a carrot oil, then you need a lightening serum or a lightening oil. You have to be careful when choosing a lightening serum or a lightening oil. One bad choice of lightening oil or serum can damage your skin, so you have to be very careful. You need to use oils or serums that are safe for use on the skin. You have to use serums that do not contain any form of hydroquinone or steroids. Yes, serums containing hydroquinone tend to, or steroid tend to work better, more effectively. They are faster, but they will also damage your skin very fast. So why don't you just be patient with your results and enjoy your skin in the long run? So I'll be sharing this recipe with which you can use to activate your carrot oil. So let's say, for example, you're making 200 ml of carrot oil. You will need carrot oil 120 ml. You will need nano half cast serum, this particular one, 50 ml. You need the Francio Bedon carrot serum 30 ml. The nano half cast serum, it's not a whitening serum, it's just a marketing strategy. It doesn't whiten the skin, it however lightens the skin when used over time. So it's not like it's a whitening serum or a whitening oil. It's mild, but no matter how mild a serum or an oil is or a serum is, you should not use it directly on your skin, because serums are concentrated products. They are not to be used directly on the skin. They are meant to be diluted into something, and carrot oil here is our diluent. So this recipe is based on the carrot oil I made in my previous video. So I'll advise that you see that video and make your own carrot oil, so you know what is in the oil, you know the type of oil you used in making your carrot oil. So there you go, you have an active carrot lightening oil. Safe is always my watchword. Always use products that are safe on the skin. Don't go and fry your skin in the name of skin lightening. Always use products that are safe on your skin. I know some people will still replace these mild serums with very, very harsh serums, but I can assure you that anything you use on your skin that works very fast is going to damage your skin very fast. Trust me. So take your time, be patient about getting results, and in the long run you will enjoy your skin. So I hope this video was helpful to someone out there. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did enjoy this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do so by clicking on the red button below. So thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.